Hello everybody! This is how you move Steam folder to another computer without reinstalling everything again. Now I'm going to show you right now. I am playing this fistful of frags. I'm going to quit this game. I'm just showing you that it actually works. It's opening and now I close it. So this is a real game. Everything's real. Let's close it. Exit. Go to your C drive, to your program file 86, and then you just right click, copy it, go inside and paste. That is all. Go into the pen drive, Kingston, copy the Steam, and now we can paste anywhere. Why not I just try pasting on the desktop, and then we'll try and see if it actually works. Okay, so simple. Steam is here. Let's go inside Steam and find Steam with the logo, and then here's application for KB. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, change settings for all, go and run this program as administrator, and that's all. So when you double click, it will ask you, you press yes and it will start to update, and now you have a working, just allow this, Steam right here. Super simple, right? Just copy and paste, and then you can play Fistful of Frags with no problem at all. Yay! So that is all I can play now. Everything's working. Go here, Steam, right click, send to your desktop. So now you have a Steam desktop right here. It's so simple, even a monkey can do it. Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below here there is my previous videos. To the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is the playlist of my previous and new videos that is to come. So please check that out, and thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber Ramus signing out.